Hi, I'm Liz and I'm the creator of the Mubbles. So I'm going to show you how to draw flowers. Not just any old flowers, flowers that actually grow on the aisle and smile. You'll see I'm surrounded by lots of gorgeous, beautiful coloured flowers. So go and get something to draw with and let's get started.
Use your lovely flower drawing and turn it into a Mother's Day card or even just a birthday card. It'd be fantastic.
For this, you're going to need a pencil, some things to colour in with, and I've got like a crayon for the outline, so I'm not using a black pen on this. Let's start with the centre. Big thick pen, just a big circle. Whee. And then next to it, I'm not even doing a pencil line on this. That's the nice thing about these drawings, the flowers. They don't have to be perfect at all. So that's the stem. And one leaf. All in orange. All in orange. And same with, just do a big circle on the outside. I'm just going to colour this. These are just made up flowers. There we go. Long stem. And now I'm going to take, what colour should we use next? Maybe purple. It's like you're drawing a leaf shape. And one this side. And then the other. And purple stem, purple leaves. Why not? On that side. Oops, make it the table shake. It's all about colour. Lots of different colours on this. So let's draw a flower shape around the outside. And then I'm leaving the petals white. I'm just colouring the blue circle on the outside. See, I really like it when the blue goes over the yellow. See, it just turns it green. Yeah. And I'm going to use the thick tip. Go all the way around like that. And some stripes. Just drawing around the leaf. So you really don't have to, be precise at all when you're drawing these flowers. And look how nice it looks there. It goes purple. It goes like a really dark purple. Let's draw some stripes on this leaf. And then the leaf shape. I'm going to take my red pen. Just go around that lit flower and just looks a bit like a tulip, doesn't it? That's some red stripes all the way down. And maybe we're going to draw a circle in the middle and some spots. And I think I might draw a pattern around here as well. The thing about these flowers, you can just make them up, have a bit of fun. It's all about the colours. Now, what else should we do? I think let's use some blue, maybe a darker blue. Oh, actually, green. Let's have a bit of green. So I'm going to go all the way round. Let's colour that in. See, I'm not for being very tidy in my colouring at all. It doesn't really matter. And let's just draw. Everything is very colourful on the Isle of Smile. A little like that, and maybe outline the flower. And let's do some dots. I'm going to add some orange there. And a little bit of orange. There we are. Maybe orange dots. Okay. So I've got some lovely big colourful flowers there. Next, I'm going to get, instead of using a black pen, I'm going to use this crayon. And this one's not black, it's actually very, very dark blue. And I'm just going to put a little bit of outline around the outside. You don't actually even have to, you just draw the shapes like that. And then maybe just, I'm actually purposely not following, so I'm leaving a bit of white line there. And we do the same here. And maybe just a little line around the outside like that. And same on here. The spots. Maybe a few more round circles. See how much fun it is drawing these flowers. You don't have to be precise at all. There we go. And maybe just like that. And just a big circle there. There we are. Actually, the trick is knowing when to stop. But I think that looks great. I love the colours. So there are some lovely colourful flowers from the Isle of Smile. So you can use all the colours that you have. You don't have to follow this. Just make them up. They look really fun. Brilliant.